Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful and cute a fish like this. Let's start drawing. I'm going to draw Auntie's lips and her body first. Now I'm going to draw the fish's tail like this. I'm drawing the fish's fins now, having a lot of fun. This time, I'm going to draw the scales on the fish's body. This time, I'm drawing eyes, like this. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. You and I are adding pink color to the two fins of the fish. Wow, that's great! I'm giving the fish a blue color on its middle fin and tail, like this. This time, I'm giving the fish's mouth yellow color. I will add yellow color to some places on the fish's body. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!